Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 16 keeps turning off by itself. In some cases, you may find your iPhone 16 unexpectedly shuts down while using and then the screen becomes unresponsive. Every time you try to turn it back on by pressing the power button, it doesn't last for a long time but soon randomly switches off again. When it comes to why your iPhone 16 keeps shutting off, the most likely reason is the low power and glitchy operating system. The update failure, lack of storage and unknown malware are also possible culprits. If iPhone 16 randomly shuts off with no software problems, the device might be damaged. We'll discuss some solutions for these possible causes and show you how to stop an iPhone 16 from turning off by itself step by step. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. 1. Charge the battery after it runs out of power. This is the simplest method to run out all power on the device. If your iPhone 16 is overheating when it keeps switching off, let it cool down first. Once the battery is completely drained and your device is shut down without rebooting again, plug it into power and let it charge for at least 1 hour. Normally, your iPhone 16 should boot up the Apple logo and turn back on after charging. If not, press the power key for a while until the logo appears. Take a look to see if this trick saves your iPhone 16 from the random shutdown. 2. Perform a restart forcefully. If your iPhone 16 is turning off by itself repeatedly due to a temporary issue with the OS or a malfunctioning app, a simple forced restart can resolve them. It will refresh the state of the operating system and apps, then return them back to working order with all your stored data untouched. We'll show you how to do that. The instructions apply to iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Quickly press the volume up button once. Then, immediately press the volume down button once. Then, immediately press and hold the power button at the right side until the Apple logo pops up again. It can take several seconds, like 15 seconds. Once your iPhone 16 restarts and the lock screen appears, enter the passcode to get back in. Wait for a while to see if your iPhone 16 stops turning off randomly. 3. Remove phone cases or the connected cord. If you've recently put a new phone case or screen protector on your iPhone 16, remove them carefully. Inappropriate accessories could render the display or the buttons going wrong. Then, your iPhone 16 randomly shuts off without acknowledging you. Also, don't forget to check for and remove headphones or external speakers if connected. If iPhone 16 shutting down constantly issue is fixed after that, then consider switching these accessories by buying new ones from established brands. 4. Use a computer to troubleshoot your iPhone 16. If there is a Windows or Mac OS computer near you, it'll be a good helper to fix iPhone 16 that keeps turning off. Just install the program iTunes, Apple Devices app, or Finder and use them to do an iOS update or a factory restore to solve the problem. You may wonder, what if the computer can't detect your iPhone 16 that keeps shutting off randomly? Worry not. Your iPhone 16 has an embedded recovery mode feature, which is designed to contact it with a computer seamlessly when it's malfunctioning. Here's what you need to do. The steps also work for an iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. On your computer, run Finder on a Mac with Catalina or later, iTunes or Apple Devices app after installation. Attach your iPhone 16 or other series to the computer and let it enter recovery mode using the following button combination. Press the volume up key once, then immediately press the volume down key once. Then, press and hold the power key for a few seconds. When the screen goes past the Apple logo and displays a restore screen like this, let go of the power key. It means your iPhone 16 has been in recovery mode. Head to the computer and the application window. It should pop up a dialog box saying there is a problem with your iPhone 16, which indicates it has been detected. To stop iPhone 16 from shutting off randomly, choose the update option first and complete then on-screen instructions to install the latest iOS firmware into the device. It won't delete anything stored on your phone. You might also notice there's also a restore option, which can be used to wipe clean the whole device and return it back to its factory defaults. It'll be your next troubleshoot option if your iPhone 16 still keeps shutting down on its own randomly after the iOS update. Remember to make a backup for your device first before restoring it. 5. Diagnose potential hardware issues. The previous 4 methods aim to eliminate some common factors that cause your iPhone 16 to keep turning off by itself randomly. If none of these solutions work, time to inspect your phone for any visible damage, such as cracks or dents on the body of the screen. To seek assistance from experts, contact Apple support to discuss further troubleshooting steps or have your iPhone 16 serviced at the Apple Store or an authorized Apple service shop. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 16 that keeps shutting off randomly. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.